ni sa sa, sa sa sa, ni da da da, pa pa pa, ma ma ma, ga ga ga, re re re, sa sa sa. Along with me. Sa re ga ma pa da ni sa sa ni da pa ma ga re. Again. Sa re ga ma pa da ni sa sa ni da pa ma ga re sa re 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 ga 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 ma 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 pa 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 da 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 ni sa 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 ni da da pa pa ma ma ga ga re re sa sa. Thank you very much. Give a big clap for music. Now let us do some meditation again. Okay? I will be playing my flute and you will do your meditation. Kindly remove your specs. Cross your feet. Close your eyes and be with your breath. You know the objective of meditation is to activate your third eye. That is the objective. Everybody has the third eye, but it is inactive because you are not supplying energy to your third eye. When you observe your breathing, when you are into meditation, you are supplying a lot of energy to your third eye. Close your eyes and for the next 20 minutes, you will not open your eyes. Hands into hands, fingers into fingers, crossing the feet, sitting comfortably anywhere you want. Close your eyes and observe the breathing, my dear friends. What happens when you observe the breathing? When you observe the breathing, you are connected to cosmic energy. When you are connected to your cosmic energy, your third eye, your cosmic eye, third eye is also your cosmic eye. Cosmic eye gets activated. I cannot activate your third eye. You have to activate your own third eye. It is your responsibility. Cross your feet, please. In the next 20 minutes, you will not open your eyes. You will be with your breath, incoming and outgoing breath. कृपया कोई भी आंखें नहीं खोलेंगे. सांसों के साथ दोस्ती तथा सांसों के साथ मस्तानी. Be with your normal, natural, easy, soft breath. Close your eyes. For the next 20 minutes, you will not open your eyes. Be with your breath. No mantras whatsoever. कोई भी आंखें नहीं खोलेंगे. मैं आपके लिए बांसुरी बजाऊंगा और आप अपने आप के लिए सांसों के साथ रहेंगे. Twenty minutes of sincere and serious meditation. The purpose of your meditation is to collect energy, cosmic energy, so that you will activate your third eye, Ajna Chakra. You will go into your third eye consciousness. Muladhara is body consciousness, Swadhisthana is family consciousness, Manipuraka is community consciousness, Anahata is silence consciousness, Vishuddha is acquiring wisdom consciousness, and Ajna is meditation consciousness. अगले 20 मिनट तक कोई भी आंखें नहीं खोलेंगे, सांसों के साथ दोस्ती तथा सांसों के साथ मस्ती. When you activate your third eye, you are called a Rishi. Be with your breath. Be with your normal, natural breath, my dear friends. You have to activate your third eye. Through your third eye, you will know about life after death, life before birth. Only when you understand life after death and life before birth, then only you can understand the life between life, birth and death. There will be no confusion in your lives. Because you know about life after death, you know about your life before birth. Through your third eye. But you must acquire a third eye, for which lot of tons and tons of cosmic energy are required. Like when you are buying a plane, lot of tons and tons of money are required. Similarly, for third eye, tons and tons of energy are required. And every time you sit in meditation, you acquire a little amount of cosmic energy. In due course, when you collect so much cosmic energy, your third eye will get activated. It gets opened. Then you become a Rishi. Hands into hands, fingers into fingers. Closing your eyes and observing the breathing. The methodology of doing meditation is very, very simple. The easiest thing to do is meditation. But you must have the will to do for a long time. You must commit the whole of your life for meditation. To become a Rishi. For 20 minutes, nobody will open the eyes. If you open your eyes, it means you are not interested in meditation. If you are not interested in meditation, you will never be a meditator. You must be desperately interested in meditation, deadly interested in meditation. Then only you will have meditation in your pocket. Eat properly, sleep properly, to take care of your Muladhara, take care of your family members, to take care of your Swadhisthana, take care of your community, to take care of your Manipuraka, take care of your silence, to take care of your Anahata. Read and listen to more people doing meditation, then you take care of Vishuddha. Do meditation, you are taking care of your third eye, Ajna. Then finally to serve the whole world, like Mahatma Gandhi, like Mother Teresa, that is Sahasrara, like Buddha and like Jesus. You have to rise up to that level of a Mahatma Gandhi, of a Martin Luther King, of a Mother Teresa, of a Jesus, of a Buddha. At that level, you must lift yourself up. That is your Sahasrara. All these people are your goal. They have done it, and you can also do it. You must do it. How much service Mother Teresa did? How much service Mahatma Gandhi did, how much service Martin Luther King did, how much service Jesus did, how much service Buddha did. They are our shining examples, shining stars in the firmament. We have to be like them. We have to reach the Sahasrara state. When we keep our goal clear, we will achieve our goals. My goal was to become like a Buddha, and I have become like a Buddha. I am also serving the whole world. To the best of my ability. I have reached my Sahasrara. You should also reach to your Sahasrara. Eat properly, sleep properly, you are taking care of Mooladhara, the fundamental thing. Next, you take care of your family members. Earn some money for them, take care of their physical bodies. Give them right food. Then you take care of your community, Manipuraka. Then you take care of your silence, Anahata. Then you take care of your wisdom, reading books, and doing Sajjan Sangatya, listening to everybody's stories, using your ears. Then Agna Chakra, activating your third eye. Then you know the past and the future, life before birth and life after death. Then you know how to live between life and death. So you will be a good teacher, perfect teacher, as you reach your Agna Chakra. As a third eye master, you are able to give guidance to everybody else, every other human being. Then that is where you are in your Sahasrara, when you are able to guide every human body, every human soul. When you take care of the whole of the animal kingdom and the bird kingdom and the fish kingdom, you talk in terms of the whole of humanity, then you are in Sahasrara. Not just your family. You will be at the level of Martin Luther King, Mother Teresa, Mahatma Gandhi, Buddha, Jesus, and many, many, many others. "20 minutes you will not open your eyes. Make your mind empty. No thoughts whatsoever. That is meditation. When you observe your breathing, there will only be thoughts. You must become like a Kabir. You must become like a Gnaneshwar. You must become like a Guru Nanak. When they have become, why can't we become? What is wrong with ourselves? They know what to do and they did that. We should also know what to do and we have to do that. कृपया कोई भी आंखें न खोले। सांसों के साथ दोस्ती तथा सांसों के साथ मस्ती, क्योंकि हमें भी योगी बनना है, हमें भी ऋषि बनना है, हमें भी योगीश्वर बनना है। अगले जन्म में नहीं, इसी जन्म में, बुढ़ापे में नहीं, जवानी में। नॉट टुमारो, टुडे, नाउ। काल करे सो आज कर, आज करे सो अब पल में प्रलय होगा, बहुरी करोगे कब। Today is the most important day in our life, and now is the most important time in our life. If you say tomorrow, you are wasting today. If you waste today, tomorrow also will be wasted. Only when you utilize today can tomorrow be a better tomorrow than today. If you don't utilize today properly, you will be the same person tomorrow also. If you want a different tomorrow, there should be a different today. Your today should be full of meditation, full of reading books, full of listening to others' stories, such as Sangatya, Swadhyaya, Dhyana. Never open your eyes. Your only job is to be with your breath, so that you are connected to the cosmic energy, and when you are connected to the cosmic energy, tons and tons of cosmic energy gets downloaded into your system, and slowly your third eye gets activated. जट मांगनी पट शादी तो होगी नहीं, परंतु मांगनी के बाद ही शादी होगी ना। "20 minutes, nobody should open the eyes. Today is the day of meditation, and every day should be a day of meditation. To become like Kabir, to become like Sant Gnanadev, to become like Guru Nanak, to become like Buddha, Mahavir, Zoroaster, Jesus. Be with your breath. Be with your normal, natural, easy, soft, simple, tender, peaceful, tranquil breath, my dear friends. Abdallas. Both hands put together, all fingers into all fingers. crossing your feet and sitting comfortably, taking the back rest, and closing the eyes and observing the breathing. Your body should be comfortable. Only then can your mind be in comfort zone. And your mind should be riveted to your breath. Everything comes by practice. Everything comes by goal setting. Everything comes through regular commitment, daily commitment. Today, 20 minutes you will not open your eyes. I have come all the way from India to help you in your meditation. I can't do meditation for you, but I can help you a little through my words, or through my energy, through my vibration. That's what I have come here for. To help all my cosmic family friends. "20 minutes, be with your breath, incoming and outgoing. Outgoing and the incoming. उच्छ्वास निश्वास के साथ एक होकर रहे। कोई मंत्र वंत्र नहीं है ध्यान की विधि विधान में, ना ही कोई सोच, ना ही कोई विचार। सांसों के साथ दोस्ती तथा सांसों के साथ मस्ती। Close your eyes and be with your breath. 20 minutes. Seven notes, 7 lokas, 7 bodies, 7 colors. Seven notes in the musical system. To know about all the sevens is to know the truth. When you become a great person, you go to Mahaloka. Maha means great. When you do lot of tapas, meditation, you go to Tapoloka. When you have lot of truth in yourself, you go to Satyaloka. We all start from Janaloka, ordinary level, and come back to earth to learn, to become great, to learn to become meditative, to learn to become a truthful person, having all the truth in you. You take many lifetimes on the earth planet to learn all these things, to reach to your Sahasrara consciousness. Only 20 minutes, not much. Be with your breath. Today is the most important day in your life. Every today is the most important day in your life. You must use your todays to become better in your tomorrows. Without doing meditation today, how can you be a better person tomorrow? Is it possible? No. To find yourself as a better person tomorrow, you must do a lot of meditation today. And today 24 hours are there. What do you do? We talk all unnecessary things to all unnecessary people. We always say things which are better not said. We are always eating things which are not at all to be eaten. And we sleep more hours. Which hours could have been spent in meditation. We don't do that. We only oversleep, overtalk, overeat. My goodness. When you remain an ordinary human being, you don't become great. You don't reach Mahaloka and Tapoloka and Satyaloka. You keep on returning to your own Janaloka. Minutes, please. Only 20 minutes. Be with your breath, closing your eyes, hands into hands, fingers into fingers, crossing your feet, sitting comfortably in the chair. We are all friends of each other, and we are here to be masters of our own lives, and we are here to be gods in the creative scheme, in the creation. How do you become a creator? When you become a master of yourself, you become a member of the creation, creators club. Next 20 minutes, you will not open your eyes, not chant anything from your mouth. Just will be with your breath. इसे कहते हैं सुखमय प्राणायाम, कंफर्टेबल प्राणायाम, हैप्पी प्राणायाम, इजी प्राणायाम. गौतम बुद्ध ने इसे आनापानसति कही. Being with the incoming and outgoing breath. You collect tons and tons of cosmic energy. Then you will gradually open your third eye. You will become a rishi. Everybody has to become a rishi. अगर आपके पास तमन्ना हो तो मेरे पास तरीका है, और आपके पास रियाज हो तो आप ऋषि बनेंगे अवश्य. तमन्ना, तरीका, रियाज. तमन्ना इज डिजायर फॉर एनलाइटनमेंट. तरीका इज वे ऑफ मेडिटेशन. रियाज इज डेली प्रैक्टिस ऑफ मेडिटेशन. तमन्ना, तरीका, रियाज. मेरे प्यारे दोस्तों, इन तीन लफ्जों को समझ लीजिए आप. तमन्ना, डीप डिजायर फॉर एनलाइटनमेंट टू बिकम ए बुद्धा. Tarika, the method of becoming a Buddha, meditation. Riyaz, daily practice. Gautam Buddha practiced for 5.5 years. Mahavir practiced for 12 years. Practice and practice and practice and practice and practice and practice and practice. But today, another 20 minutes, only 20 minutes more.